How to add shape in CapCut Mobile in seconds. Hey everybody, in order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. So head over and open up CapCut first, and once you open it up, look out for the new project option on your screen and tap on it and select the base first of all for yourself. So for example, I have selected this particular picture. You can even add up a video according to your own choice. And in order to add shape, now what you can do is basically select up the media that you've added. And in the bottom below, look out for different options and basically look out for the option called mask. Tap on it. And when you do, you will be finding different mask shape available. So you can look out for the shape that you prefer, for example, heart. And once you do so, you will be finding the heart shape being added. You can even tap on invert to change the invert like this and place it wherever you'd prefer, like this. And you can even adjust it. Tap on this adjust option and size, rotate, and feather, etc. and select up the position for the shape. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd like to add shape in CapCut Mobile in seconds, you may follow up these methods. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.